268 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, July the 1st, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the binary. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them already mentioned I will solve in the evening, but first let me solve these 3 regular puzzles. And these 3 regular puzzles, the first one is the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 8820. Yeah, 8820. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot. 28. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For a 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars by the publisher, so I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here can be a 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 6, 6. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 1. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then, let me see. Need a 9 here. 2, 2. Need a 6. Need a 3. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Well. 4 here. Well, I'm thinking. 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 9 in this row, the 1 and the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are these three missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Need a 3 here or there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Then, let me see. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 there. We have a pair, we have a pair. We have a 9 and a 6 in the first column. We have a 9 and a 6 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 6, 9 and 6, 9 and 6. And look, we have 9 and 6 in this row. So no 9 and a 6 in this box. 9 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Alright. Then, need a 6 here. 4, 4. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 2, need a 4, need a 6. 2, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this row. First row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 3, 2, 1, need a 7. Need a 5 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box can be a 6 in the more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Need a 9 here. Then, let me see. 1, 1. Alright. So I need a 9 there. Need a 9 there. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 6, 6, 6, 1, 1, 1, 5. Well. Come on. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. Well, I need a 2 here. Need a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for number 7 and the 5. So here we have a pair. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Nope. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the 3rd row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the last column, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then here also 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in the 3rd column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the 2nd column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes at there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the 3rd column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers. Oh, no. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Maybe I talk too much, but yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.